Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a wireless controller to your MacBook Neo. So, in the first step, we're gonna have to put the controller into a pairing mode, and I'm gonna show you how to do this with this DualSense controller. So this is a PS5 controller, and in case you have an Xbox One, I'm also going to explain you how to put it in the pairing mode. But first of all, in case if you have the DualSense controller, to put it in pairing mode, before launching it, just start holding down the PS button and the create button, which is located right here next to your D-pad, together, and keep holding them until the device starts flashing rapidly like this. After that, you're going to have to navigate to the control center icon on the toolbar at the top of your MacBook. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Click the arrow icon next to it and select Bluetooth settings. After entering Bluetooth settings, you'll be able to see your DualSense controller on the list. Click Connect next to your controller, and right now the controller is connected to your MacBook. In case you have the Xbox controller, you're gonna have to first launch it by pressing the Xbox icon, which is located right here in the middle. And once it's launched, you're just gonna have to press the create button, which is located approximately in this place. So just hold it down, your controller will start flashing rapidly, and then you'll be able to see it on nearby devices list and connect to it just like we did with this DualSense controller. Now to disconnect from it, click disconnect, and to unpair it from your MacBook, click the information icon next to the controller and select forget this device. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.